Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into nature. 6 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Nature, which means the innate or essential qualities or character of a person or animal. Number 1. Personality, which means the combination of characteristics or qualities that form an individual's distinctive character. Personality. For example, her cheerful and vibrant personality. Number 2. Makeup, which means the combination of qualities that form a person's temperament. Makeup. For example, jealousy doesn't seem to be part of his makeup. Number 3. Disposition, which means a person's inherent qualities of mind and character. Disposition. For example, the book is not recommended to readers of a nervous disposition. Number 4. Temper, which means a person's state of mind seen in terms of their being angry or calm. Temper. For example, he was of a placid temper. Number 5. Temperament, which means a person's or animal's nature, especially as it permanently affects their behavior. Temperament. For example, it was a particularly appealing prospect for a man of his temperament. What do you think of these synonyms? Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Moreover, you can follow the channel by hitting the subscription button.